Aloe vera juice is made from the aloe vera plant. The plant is native to Africa and is also grown in tropical and subtropical climates around the world. Aloe vera is a succulent plant and its leaves are thick and fleshy. The leaves contain a gel-like substance that is rich in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. The aloe vera plant has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. The ancient Egyptians used it to treat burns, wounds, and infections. The plant was also used to treat constipation and diarrhea. Aloe vera juice is made by extracting the gel from the leaves of the plant. The gel is then mixed with water and other ingredients, such as lemon juice, honey, or mint, to make a drink. Aloe vera juice can be beneficial for your health in several ways. Here are some of the top benefits of drinking aloe vera juice. Clears up acne. Aloe vera juice can help to clear up acne by reducing inflammation and redness. It's also thought to have antibacterial properties, which can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. Reduces dandruff. Aloe vera juice can help to reduce dandruff by keeping your scalp healthy. It's thought to work by preventing the buildup of dead skin cells on your scalp. Promotes healthy hair. Aloe vera juice is thought to promote healthy hair by keeping your scalp healthy. It's also thought to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can help to encourage hair growth. Moisturizes skin. Aloe vera juice can help to moisturize your skin by keeping it hydrated. It's also thought to have anti-aging properties, which can help reduce wrinkles appearance. Heals wounds. Aloe vera juice can help to heal wounds by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new tissue. It's also thought to have antibacterial properties, which can help to prevent infection. Detoxifies the body. Aloe vera juice is thought to detoxify the body by removing toxins from the blood. It's also thought to have laxative properties, which can help to promote a healthy digestive system.